A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Yesterday in the previous class, we have discussed regarding the incidence matrix of the graph. Anybody has any idea regarding incidence matrix? I think you have understood. Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhishek. Just explain what is incidence matrix. Nobody can explain?
Ma'am,
Mukul?
incident matrix is basically a logical matrix between two components of a circuit.
What?
Ma'am, it's a logical matrix between two components of a circuit.
This is not the proper answer. Anybody else? Nobody can give the answer of incidence matrix. It's very unfortunate. Basically, incidence matrix contains what? Each and every matrix contains row and column. So along the row, what will be there? Nodes will be there. And along the branches, that is the column contains what? Branches. So incidence matrix is that type of matrix which contains branches as a column and nodes as a row. Now you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you drawn the circuit? What I have told you, you have to draw in a copy. Have you drawn it in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So how many branches were there? What I have drawn in previous class, how many branches were there?
Ma'am, six.
Six branches.
branches.
How many nodes were there?
Ma'am,
Four
five.
nodes.
4 nodes were there. So
Yes,
on the
ma'am,
basis
4
of
nodes.
the branches coming to the nodes and outgoing from the nodes, on the basis of that, we have selected the signature. The sign will be, minus or plus, right? And
Ma'am,
the nodes to which the branches are not connected, and at the position of that matrix, row and column position, that will be denoted by 0. I think it is clear.
yes, ma'am.
You have to study, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, today we have to discuss regarding tie-set matrix, okay? So, what we have discussed, incidence matrix, now we come to tie-set matrix. So, before coming to the tie-set matrix, I have to share my PPT. Hope PPT is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Regarding the graph theory concept of graph tree branches, I think you have got idea regarding tree link twigs. Elaborately, I have explained all these things in the previous class. Incidence matrix I have told. Now I will explain today tie-set matrix. So what is tie-set matrix? Definitely like incidence matrix, tie-set matrix will contain row and column. So along the column, what will be there? And along the row, what will be there? And how can you form the tie-set matrix? I will explain that. Now, before going to the tie-set matrix, can you tell me what is tree? What is tree?
Ma'am,
And the
tree is a
connection
graph
of
with
all the nodes without any loops is called tree.
So it is a part of a graph which contains all the nodes, but not any loop. Fine. So before going to the tie-set matrix, you have to choose a particular tree of a particular graph. Fine. The links placed one at a time form loops which are called what? If I put a, do you remember what is tree and co-tree? And what is the branch of the tree is called?
Twig.
Twigs.
right? And if you put a branch which will form a loop and which is not present in a tree, that is called what?
Link.
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 Cord.
Fine.
Link.
So in case of a triset matrix, you have to consider a particular tree. Okay. So this is the tree I have to consider here. This tree contains 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes, and it contains how many branches? Three branches, and three. This is branch number 2, and this is branch number 4. So this tree contains which branches? 4, 2, and 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the branches this tree contains, Chayanika?
4, 3, 2 or 3. 4, 2, 3.
2 and 3. Okay, fine. So first of all, you have to choose a tree. And the link placed at one time form loops, which are called the fundamental circuits of Abe circuits. So if you put a link here, what is the name of the link here? 1. So if you put the link here, this will form a loop. If you put the link here, this will form a loop. If you put the link here, this will also form a loop. So how many links are here? Mukul, how many links are here?
1 minute, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, 3 links.
3 links. 1, 6, and this is what? 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many links are there? 1, 5, 6. These 1, 5, 6 are fundamental links, and using these links, we will be able to get 3 loops. Okay. So a set of branches forming a loop is called a tie set. The orientation of link coincides with the chosen direction of the associated loop current. That is the fundamental circuit current. I will explain it. If B is the number of branches and N is the number of nodes in a particular graph, the number of fundamental circuit will be to the number of links. How many links are here? 3 links are here. So total number of links will be basically B minus N plus 1. Okay. So N is equal to 4, number of nodes. So total number of branch 6. 6 minus 4 what? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So number of links is 3. Is it clear to all of you with this equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
Tyson matrix, B is a rectangular matrix having B number of columns and BL number of links. Okay. So its element Bij having the following values. Branch I is in loop J and their orientations are the same. I will explain it. Branch I is in loop J and orientation differs. Okay. So how many links are there? By link 1, one fundamental circuit. By link 5, another fundamental circuit. By link 6, another fundamental circuit. And these links are basically denoted by dotted line, dashed line. Do you follow the circuit? These are the fundamental loops. Okay. Now I will
Yes.
explain. I have to draw it. The paint is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before going to the details of the incidence matrix, a Tyset matrix, I have to consider a tree. Already I have told you. Okay. So Do you remember this circuit?
Yes, ma'am.
Each and everybody will draw the circuit with me. Okay? Each and everybody will draw the circuit. I will say it. I will put the name, just I will call the name and he or she will show me. Each and everybody will draw it. This is very important. Each and everything, what I am writing here and I am drawing here, each and everything is important. Don't miss anything. Now the branch, this is 2 number of branch. This is branch number 5. This is branch number 6. This is branch number 4. This is 1. This is 4. So 1, 2. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of nodes are 4. 2, 1, 3, and 4. So what are the links here? On the basis of the number of links, name of the link, I will write your fundamental circuit. This is by link 1. Hey, mute yourself. Noise is creating. So by link 1, what are the branches? Anybody can tell me? By link 1, what are the branches are associated with link 1 in a particular loop which contain link 1? This is the tree. Okay. And I have put this branch here to form a particular loop, this loop. Okay. So in this particular loop, how many branches are there? Nandini, how many branches are there in this particular loop which contain the fundamental link 1? Do you understand? Do you follow me?
2.
2?
2 and
Did you
3.
get my question? This is a tree. You have put here this link. So if you put this link, this loop is formed. Okay. So how many branches are there in this particular loop?
Ma'am, 2 or 3.
Of
1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, 3, ma'am. 3, ma'am.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You have to form a loop. This is a loop, closed loop.
ম্যাম 5 এর অ্যারোটা কোন দিকে হবে?
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now fundamental circuit. 5 arrow is this. Now fundamental circuit 2 on the basis of the link 2. By link 2, tell me what are the branches here? By link 2, what are the branches here?
Ma'am, 3, 6, and 5.
Link 2 means? I'm sorry, link 5, not link 2. And link number 2, but link name is 5. Okay. So link number 5. What is the loops? These loops. Link 5.
3, 6, and 5.
2, 5, and 4. কি বলছো?
ওপরেরটা বলছে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা।
This one.
2, 5, and 4. Yes, ma'am.
2, 7. Where is 7?
2, 5, and
নিচেরটা বলেছিল।
This link. Only for this link. What is the loop? This loop is formed. Then 2,
5, and 4.
2, 5, 4.
2, 5, 4. Okay. 2, 5, 4. Now fundamental circuit 3. Basically, this is by link what? By link what?
6.
6. What is the branches here?
3, 6, 5.
365. 365. Up to this, it is clear to all of you. I have considered of this tree which contains the branches 3 to 4. Okay. So on the basis of that tree, we are forming a tie-set matrix. So for tie-set matrix, you have to put the link so that you can get 3 loops using 3 links. Link number 1, link number 2, link number 3. On the basis of the branches which contain which create the loop, the link is named as the name of the branch, right? So link 1, link 3, link 6. Up to this, it is clear. Now come to the matrix. So matrix will be formed with branches and along column it will be fundamental circuits. Okay. So how many branches are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 branches are here. Now, number 1 link, that is 1, after that 5, after that 6. So with link 1, which branches are associated? At that point, I have to put 1. 1 will be positive or negative. I will explain it later on. First of all, put with fundamental circuit 1, which branches are associated already written over there. Which branches are associated?
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3. So you have to put 1, 1, 1 at the position of 1, 2, 3, and rest will be 0. Now question is that the sign will be plus or minus. Now come to fundamental circuit 1. So in this fundamental circuit 1, what is the direction of current? This. And what is the direction of branch current? This is this. So the conventional loop direction of current and the direction of the orientation of the current is same. So it will be plus 1. It is clear? Now come to branch 2. This branch. Yes, I'm repeating. If you consider this branch, the direction of the current is like this. Okay. And direction of the loop current is this. So the direction are same. Hence it is plus 1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to branch 3. The direction of the current is this and the direction of the current is this. Both are same. So this will be plus 1. And other 4, 5, 6 in case of these branches, there is no connection of this. So 0, 0, 0 will be put over there. So in case of 5, what will be the answer? Onchito, tell me what will be the answer in case of 5? 5 length. What will be the position of the, element value? What will be the element value? Of the
0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. মানে 2, 5 and 6
position
এ
of
1
2,
করবে।
5, 4. Just tell me in that way.
Oh,
2,
sorry.
5, 4, it will be 1, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2, 5,
And
4, that will be 1. And others will be 0.
0.
After that, tell me which will be 1, minus 1, which will be plus 1.
Yes, ma'am. 0.
5 এরটা -1 হবে।
Yes, ma'am. And the rest will be plus.
5. So
Only 5 will be -1 and rest will
5 এদিকে যাচ্ছে. This direction is this. And fundamental circuit 5.
ম্যাম 2 ও তো মাইনাস হবে।
না 2 তো current এর direction.
This is minus, okay? And 4?
4টা প্লাস হবে।
4টা প্লাস হবে।
4 plus. And 5?
মাইনাস।
5
5 is
minus.
also minus. Everybody is agree with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to fundamental circuit 6. 365. At the position of 365, it will be 1. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Mukul, tell me what is the sign? For the first one, it will be minus or plus?
minus sir.
Come to 6.
Minus.
Ma'am,
3.
5,
Two
6 plus,
direction
3
is
minus.
3
3 is
minus, right.
minus. 5 and
And
6
4?
is plus.
I'm sorry, 5.
5 plus
Plus.
positive.
5 direction is same.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm 6, 5. Fundamental circuit 6, 5. Direction is this side.
Then 6 will be plus.
5. Fundamental circuit 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. What is the direction of this loop? Oh, basically another direction is there. Okay. And this is 6. Oh, you are wrong basically. This is 6. So what are the branches are associated with this 6?
Three,
And in
6
case
and
of
5.
3, in case of 3, is it okay? In case of 3, come to 6, 5. This 5. If I come branch 5 here, 5 contains what? 254, 254, and 2, 254. This direction is this. So
मैम 2A तो मैम पॉजिटिव হবে मैम
exactly, 2 direction is this, and this 2 direction is this. So it will be positive. Actually, I have missed this direction. Okay. Now
5
come
also
to
positive
4. Come to 4. 4 direction is this. And current direction is this. This will be also positive, right? 4 and 5. 5 direction is this, and 5 direction, it will be positive, right?
yes
And
ma'am.
that
Did you get it?
4
will be negative.
and the 4 will be negative.
4 direction is this, and this follow this direction, this one.
Ma'am, 2 তো positive হচ্ছে।
That
Sorry,
will positive. I have given positive.
হ্যাঁ, positive. Yes, ma'am.
And 4 will be negative. Exactly. 4 opposite to that. 4 will be negative.
Yes, ma'am. And 5 is
4 will be
positive.
negative. Because you have to follow this direction, this one. This one. Okay. Is it clear?
yes ma'am.
Now
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to now come to fundamental circuit 6. What will happen? How many branches are associated with 6?
3
Ma'am,
6 and
6
5
and 3.
3,
3,
6,
5 and
5.
6. Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
No. This is not correct.
Ma'am, 3
This
6
is
5
not
4.
correct. First of all 3, second of all 2, third of all 4, and lastly 6. So 6 to 3 4. 6 to 3 4. Follow it. This is the link 6. Any problem? This is the link 6.
Yes, ma'am.
6, 3, 2, 4. Can you follow?
yes ma'am.
Anybody has any problem?
Oh, ma'am. Understood.
No, ma'am.
6, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 0. This is not associated. So it will be 1. Now direction. 6. 6 direction is this, and same direction. 6 will be plus 1. No problem. 2. 2 direction is this, and direction is opposite, right? Opposite na? Follow. The direction is 2 like this. And direction of the current is opposite. This 2 will be -1. 2 will be -1. And in case of 3 direction is where? 3 is this direction, and it is opposite. So 3 will be -1. It is correct. And 4 direction is where? 4 direction is this, and it is also opposite. 4 will be -1.
-1.
Now it is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
বেটার এটাকে ক্যান্সেল করে আমরা cancel this one. Cancel this one. Now fundamental circuit 6. I am repeating. Okay. By link what? Bolo 6. What are the branches are associated? I am just
6,
telling
3,
you
2, 4.
fresh. Sorry?
6, 3, 2, 4.
6, 3, 2, 4. Fine. Now draw the matrix again. Branches. And it will be links. So already we have discussed that. It's in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And link 1, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 5, 6. So please tell me, on the basis of the link 1, what will be the answer? Do you remember? For link number
Yes.
1?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the link number for link number 1. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1, 2, and 3 is +1 and rather 0.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And others are 0. So 1, 2, 3 plus or minus?
Plus
Ma'am,
1.
everything will be plus.
Everything plus?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay? I am not
Yes.
checking. Everything plus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to 5. So 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. Others are 0. Okay. Now come to 6. So for
Ma'am,
6,
4 negative, ma'am.
for 6,
link 5.
it will be negative. Okay. For 6, 0. This is 1. 2, 3 is 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. This is 0. And this is 1. So what will be the direction? Now tell me. For branch 1, come to branch 1. Branch 2. Come to branch 2. The direction is this. And direction is this. So it will be +1. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And for branch 3, direction is this. And direction is opposite. So it will be -1. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
For direction 4, branch 4, this is like this. And this is opposite. This is opposite or same? For 4?
Same, ma'am.
Same or opposite? This
Ma'am,
direction,
opposite though.
ম্যাম অপোজিট হচ্ছে।
ম্যাম
Same
কোন
তো।
ডিরেকশনটা আমি বুঝতে পারছি না।
4 is
সেমই তো
direction this,
লাগছে।
and this
Ma'am,
one.
same.
You consider
ম্যাম
this.
দিস ফর দিস
Oh,
ইট
ma'am,
ইজ
then
সেম।
they're same, ma'am.
Same
to,
আছে
4
ma'am.
is same.
Yes, ma'am.
4 same. And for 6 is this same.
Same direction.
+1.
So anybody has any query to form the tie-set matrix? This is tie-set matrix. So in tie-set matrix, what is happening? We have created the matrix using the branches and using the links as the row and branches are the column. And on the basis of the direction of the conventional current loop and the direction of the orientation already given over here, on the basis of that, you have to put it will be +1 or -1. And on the position of link 1, link 5, link 6, they are fundamental circuit. If they are associated with that one, the position of that branches, you will put 1 and other positions will be 0. Now it is clear to all of you, how can you create the tie-set matrix? Anybody has any question?
Ma'am, 2 will be
Yes.
negative in link 6.
Link 6, yes. What is your question? Please tell.
Ma'am, 2 is negative. Ma'am, it is opposite to that direction of the loop.
Okay,
Yes,
consider
ma'am.
2. 2 is direction this, and this is this. 2 will be negative. Is it correct?
ম্যাম দুটোই তো ক্লকওয়াইজ হচ্ছে তাহলে তো।
This is like this, 2, and this is like this. I think 2 negative.
Yes, ma'am.
I think 2 negative. 2 direction is like this, and the loop direction is like that. So opposite. 2 will be negative. Yes. Anybody has any question regarding this?
কেন নেগেটিভ হলো কেন?
2 direction is this. Okay. And the loop direction is this. So opposite to হচ্ছে না? Basically what is happening? This is the link number 6, and 2 direction is this, 2 branch, and current direction is this. তাহলে অপোজিট হচ্ছে না? এবার দেখো তো। Now it is correct. Well, I have cut this section here, so now if it is better to follow this. Now it is clear. Somebody has asked me, ma'am, opposite হচ্ছে কেন? এখন clear?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
ठीक है, चलो. I think tie-set matrix is clear to all of you, and incidence matrix is clear to all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to PPT again. Yes, this is the tie-set matrix. I'll share the PPT. So from branches this, and already what I have explained in the pen with my digital pen. I think now it is clear. Fundamental circuit 156, branches are 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
ma'am.
5, 6. And how can you put it the one position? How can you put it
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sign convention? So
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear to all of you? I think it is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now another thing, very important thing, I think time is short now. Okay, in the next class I will explain reduced incidence matrix. Okay. What?
Okay, ma'am.
Reduced incidence
Okay, ma'am.
matrix. So now that's all for today. So up to this, is it clear to all of you? You have to study, and in the next class, I will ask the question. You have to tell me what is reduced incidence matrix. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
ठीक
what
है,
we have learned today, Onchito, what we have learned today?
Ma'am, today we have learned that how to form a tie-set matrix from
Yes.
the links present in the
And for that,
graph.
what you have to choose first of all, Mukul, what do you have to choose first of all to get the tie-set matrix?
Ma'am, we have to choose first the loops, and basically,
Yeah, we have to choose the link
Fundamental
first.
circuits.
Fundamental
sorry,
circuit.
fundamental
No,
circuits.
no,
Yes,
no, no.
fundamental.
First of all, you have to choose what?
Tree,
Don't
tree.
it is Somnath? Tree. First of all, you have to choose a particular tree. After that, fundamental circuit on the basis of the links. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many matrices we have learned till now?
Ma'am, duto.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
two
two types.
matrix, incidence
Name
matrix
them.
and tie-set matrix.
Incident
Again,
matrix and
name
tri-set.
these matrices.
And incidence matrix and tie-set matrix.
Again,
And
Incident.
incidence matrix and tie-set
incidence
matrix.
matrix and tie-set matrix. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Not incident. It is incidence matrix. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.